Hello everyone, and today I'm going to show you a really great theme for Pinterest, which is viral right now. And now it's summer, it's July, and the trend today is everything with the sea. So basically, if you open Instagram, TikTok, or any social media, you will see that people are posting many decorations they use for tables, for everything, with the sea theme. If you go to retail stores, you will also find a lot of decor with this type. So if you go to Pinterest and you just type here sea table decorations, you will see lots of ideas. And if you have this long line here with words, it means that this has demand, because these are the keywords for Pinterest. So definitely people are searching, people are pinning, and they're looking for inspiration right now. So this is where you have to be. You have to be on Pinterest, because people are searching for ideas how to decorate these tables, how to celebrate birthdays and whatever, and they are going to buy decor, right? So this is where you have to be for them. And if you look here, so you might think, no, so there are no products here, right? So all of these are blog posts or decorations, but we have, you see, we have here the advertisement, right? It's sponsored. We have even, Shein advertisement, we have Temu, we have AliExpress, and there is no price, right? So it's only visible like from where they advertise from. So people basically, they don't look, where, they look at the picture. And if you are really good at picking the pictures and you are in the merchant program, you see, so your products will be here and even organically. And your advertisement can bring traffic not to one product, but to a few products, to the catalog. So basically, this is why Pinterest works the best, because people are not even looking for what prices are here. So they want the product, right? So they like the idea, they click, and then they are directed to the product, right? So they can buy it immediately. Or if, this is like, just a picture, right? Somebody uploaded, you see, so this is a personal Pinterest, and person uploaded, customer uploaded the picture, and you like this picture, right? You have to, and you want to do the same for your, event or any picnic. So this is what Pinterest is doing. So it shows you where you can buy it, right? So look, so it connects you to different shops around, and you can buy anything you want, which is on this picture. So this is called a recommendation. And if you are on Pinterest as a merchant, you will be recommended here, not only advertisements, but also organically here, because you see this is organic, this is sponsored, this is sponsored, this is organic, right? So these products just are being recommended because somebody pinned this picture and somebody clicked on this picture because they like this picture. So also here there are many blogs, right? Well, of course we have here AI, so we cannot right today work without AI, but I don't recommend using images with AI. It's better to source them with normal, right? So with original, but as well, right? So here a lot of recommendations. So if, for example, you see here, so this is like shop similar. Yeah, this is what I was looking for. For example, so I want to buy the same, right? So this is how Pinterest shows shop similar, right? So they concentrate the customer, right? You can buy here, right? In the other example, it was showing just a picture recommendation. Now here we can see even with prices, right? So it shows shops with prices, and prices are pretty high. You see, it's even 1,800, So it's not like on Amazon. Amazon is showing only the cheapest at the top. No, here we don't have the cheapest. We have the best similarity one, right? So the one which is similar. So because Pinterest works on recommendations. And this is how people shop on Pinterest, right? So they like something, they click, and they get recommended where to buy it. And this is where you can be as a seller, as a merchant. So you can have your shop here, and you can sell products, not only Etsy or Pottery Barn. So it can be ordinary shop. So on Pinterest, it's really great to sell, because first of all, you just can be recommended, because you see Amazon is using square images, very small, not Pinterest, what Pinterest likes. If you know how Pinterest works, get much more exposure than all these Amazon or Shein, because they don't use Pinterest the way you can use it. So here we don't have them as competitors, actually. So we sell along with Amazon and everything, because they cannot compete on price. So we can compete only by images and by the way we work, right? So this is like a great topic right now, and this is how Pinterest works. And yes, so now if you look on Pinterest, you can see that here we can even click and choose the brand. We can choose the retailer, right? So who is selling, and we can also filter by price, right? So it will show you with lower price, with bigger price, and we can click, and then Pinterest will show us products with prices, right? So this is the only thing how Pinterest can show customers the prices. And then, yeah, again, so different, 55 and 12 at the same time. So 80 and 16. So they're at the same level here, on the same at the top of the page, right? So they're not competing on price, they're competing on the product and on the image, right? So this is Etsy, right? They have different image, and Target and Pottery Barn, right? So these are the shops that have merchant program, and they just sell on Pinterest, right? Yeah, so for example, this one, right? So this is not a marketplace. This is just another shop, so verified merchant. They don't have much followers, but they have a merchant account, and they have 500,000 monthly views. And they don't use it much, right? So they just have very pretty generic stuff here. But we found them not from their work as pinning, right? So not from their pins. We found their product, because on their website, every product this shop posted on their website is on Pinterest. So they will sell immediately, right? So every product goes on Pinterest, and it becomes a separate pin, and people who are searching for products, so when people filter it by price, right? So they want everything on sale. This is when all these shops get exposure, right? So they don't work hard on Pinterest. They just have a shop, and their products can be found only via, these product pins. Of course, this is very little use of Pinterest, yeah, because they could have sold much more if they would use Pinterest better, right? So they haven't pinned a lot. But yeah, so this is how this particular product, this beautiful product, appeared on Pinterest, just because this seller is in a verified merchant program, and they uploaded all their products immediately on Pinterest, right? So it's not even necessary to make these pins, right? So they're very generic, not really beautiful. They just have a shop, and I'm sure they have sales from Pinterest. So definitely go for Pinterest. And whatever you find now, any viral content on any social media, save it, start posting, because Pinterest works, long term. If you start, pinning it right now, so you will start selling, but next year, because your pins this summer will be pinned on people's boards, you will start getting as twice, much more traffic and much more sales from the same pins that you are going to pin today. So definitely everything you're going to do now this summer with this viral content and this viral topic will give you sales not only today but next year, and it will grow year after year. So definitely go for Pinterest. And if you want to learn more how Pinterest works, and if you want to start selling successfully on Pinterest, you are welcome to join Pin Brand Academy, and we will dive into Pinterest, and I will show you how to make the most of Pinterest and sell exponentially and grow your sales just year after year. Stay tuned.